Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, I love saying things today, and we're doing a get ready with me. What? Yes, you're gonna get ready with me. I got my foundation, my concealer, my powder, my brows all on, and so we'll be doing the glam face that I do so well. I think I do so well, so often, that I can't wait to put some details and some contour, well, some bronzing and such to my face. Speaking of bronzers, this is my absolute favorite, is the Sun Kissed Bronze by Cover FX. I use this 95% of the time, and it is well loved, but there's still plenty left in here. And I like to use a Fancy Scott Barnes brush, which is number 65, and it is perfect for contouring these cheeks, darling. Look at that. All of a sudden, I've got cheekbones. Cheekbones. Ooh, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Cheekbones. And we're going to go under my chin to give me a jawline. If you're new to me, sometimes I sing, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's something else, and today is I'm just having a great day. I'm looking forward to unboxing a box next after this. Something fancy. You'll see the unboxing before you see this get ready with me. Let's just put it like that, because I got priorities. And it is my prerogative as a woman to put the unboxing first. And this is a great dupe for the Orgasm blush from NARS. It is in Peach Parfait by Petra. And I have hit pan on it. And I will continue to use this until it disappears, because it is the perfect color. It's not too pink, it's not too peach. It just hits you just right. It gets it's good with warm, it's good with cool. It's just a great, very neutral. It looks a little warm, but it does work with cool stuff. That's all I do for my blush. A little appley on my cheek, put a little in the cheekbone. And I've been doing my makeup like this for a really long time. But I didn't start bronzing and stuff until I got on YouTube, and then I started learning more by watching other people's videos and such. And I'm going to use a palette that I've used before, but only once before. And I absolutely love it. It is the Trixie Mattel Bottle Blonde. Yes. Glad you noticed. Palette, and it is fantastic. And this is what it looks like. I'm not doing swatches because I've done swatches before, and to get ready with me, it's fine. It's lovely. I'm going to start with Miss Kim, this beautiful pink in my crease. My eyes are slightly hooded. Yep, hooded. And as I've mentioned before, my eyes are two different sizes. Like, I have more real estate on this side than I do on this eye. But I do a pretty good job of matching things up sometimes. Sometimes it's very different, but they look like cousins instead of twins, you know. Taking this up a little higher. That's very pretty. That is a great color to start off with. And this color here, Mauve Mentality and Wiggy, are so good. I love them so much. I've used them in the past. I might use them again. I'm going to do it again because I love it so much. And I might pop some purple or some Frenemy. Let me go to Wiggy. Getting wiggy with it. This is a sweet little shimmer that goes really well with Miss Kim. Very buildable. It's looking pretty good. Looks pretty even. Then I will take a firmer brush and I'm going to go into Mauve Mentality and put it in the outer crease. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm really patting it on because it is a little bit crumbly. Oh, it's gorgeous. And you can see the side is much smaller. So I need to try to even it out. And it builds up really great. It looks pretty good. Then I need a sweet little color right here to set it off. I'm thinking about just getting a highlighter. Let's blend this son of a bitch up. It's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Well, vacant. Some Sex Pistols for you. I'm going to go into front of me. Just deepen it up a little bit. Just a touch. And that looks fantastic. I need to still figure out, I think I'm going to use one of my favorite highlighters, and it is Pillow Talk. It is a pink highlighter from Ofra. I'm going to get it on my finger. I'm just going to set that in. Ah, stunning! And that looks amazing. This is going to look fantastic with some mascara and some eyeliner. And we're going to do that on the camera today. We're not going to cut it. I want to show you exactly how I do everything. Because sometimes I just do the, you know, magic everything. The magic mascara, the magic eyeliner, the magic thumb swatches, you know, all that stuff. So this is a Stila Slay All Day eyeliner. It's one of my very favorites. I've been using it for like 10 years. If not, actually longer than 10 years. Not this exact one, But I remember a friend of mine took me on a shopping spree because his man came into some money. Dollar bills, y'all, and they took me shopping to get some clothes, to get a little makeup, and this was the eyeliner. It was in a display case in Sephora, and I was like, that sounds great. And it's been fantastic ever since. So that's how easily I do my mascara. And lately I've been doing some lash primer before I put on mascara. And this is some Lancome Cils Booster XL. And I got it as part of a set of that came with a mascara from Lancome. But there's plenty of other brands of, you know, lash boosters that you can get that'll work great. But these really, since my eyelashes are finally coming back in, they really, I put it with a good mascara. And good mascara doesn't have to be an expensive mascara. But when I put it in with a good mascara, it's like I have false eyelashes on for reals. Alrighty, that is the Cils. I also have one that I got from Kat Von D, which is a lash primer. I got it, it's called Epic Curl. I got it in a box, like a mystery box, or buy 5 for $75 or something kind of thing like that with them. And I tell you what, I really love this Lash Princess from Essence, and it's like $5. You can get them really inexpensively, and they often have sales at Ulta. Buy one get one 40% off. But it's a great mascara, and combined with the Cils lash booster, it makes my lashes crazy long. Super spiky, super long, very cool. And then the last thing that I do is my lip. And I think I'm going to use number 180. This looks like it's going to be great. And this is my favorite. This and Jeffree Star's Velour Lips are my two favorites. And then it's like Kat Von D and some Gerard Cosmetics and some Dose of Colors, some other brands, some great lipsticks. But I have the most Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline and Jeffree Star. So I'm going to check into this, which is number 180, which is Revolutionary. Let's do a little check. Oh yeah, perfect. And these are about $10. You can get them cheaper even than that at Walmart. And they really stay all day until you take them off with just a makeup wipe. It's no big deal. And that is it. That is my look for today with the Bottle Blonde palette from Trixie Mattel. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Hope you enjoyed the Get Ready With Me. Yay!